Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about the smallest, but arguably one of the most vulnerable networks in cybersecurity, the PAN, or Personal Area Network. While your home Wi Fi creates a local area network, a PAN is formed by short range direct wireless links. Think Bluetooth, Zigbee, or NFC. It connects your personal gadgets within your immediate workspace, typically spanning a range of less than 30 feet. Because PANs are highly dynamic and often configure automatically for convenience, they present unique targets for hackers. Instead of routing data through a massive internet router, devices in a PAN talk directly to one another. Usually, your smartphone or laptop acts as a central hub, communicating simultaneously with peripheral devices like your smartwatch or wireless headphones. Here's the problem. Because PAN wireless signals radiate out into open space, anyone physically standing within a 30-foot radius can theoretically intercept them if the network isn't secured. Let's look at the top 4 PAN security risks. Number 1 is blue snarfing, or data theft. Imagine you're at a crowded airport terminal wearing Bluetooth headphones. A threat actor sitting 2 rows over can exploit a vulnerability in your phone's Bluetooth stack, silently downloading your contacts, texts, and private photos directly from your PAN without you ever seeing a pairing request. Number 2 is bluejacking. Instead of stealing data, a hacker injects it. If you're on a subway and your phone is set to discoverable, a hacker can send you a disguised malicious link. If you click it thinking it's a local notification, you're sent straight to a phishing site. Number 3 is the man in the middle, or eavesdropping attack. If you use a wireless keyboard with weak or no encryption to type a corporate password, a bad actor sitting at the next desk can use a cheap radio antenna to sniff your keystrokes right out of the air. Number 4 is smart home exploitation. If an attacker stands outside your front door and floods your smart lock's Zigbee frequency with noise, they can crash the PAN connection, potentially forcing the lock to default to an open state. So, how do you protect yourself? Securing a PAN requires a balance between convenience and proactive defense. First, turn off discoverability. Keep your Bluetooth invisible when you aren't actively pairing a new device. Second, enforce strong pairing by never accepting file transfers from unrecognized devices. Third, regularly update the operating systems of your smartwatches, earbuds, and phones to patch newly discovered vulnerabilities. And finally, when buying new wireless accessories, verify they use modern, secure standards like Bluetooth 5.0 with AES encryption. మీ డివైసెస్ని అప్డేట్ చేస్తూనే సార్వజనిక ప్రదేశాలలో సిద్ధంగా ఉండండి మరియు మీ పర్సనల్ ఏరియా నెట్వర్క్ని ట్రూలీ పర్సనల్గా ఉంచండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. మీకు ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉపయోగకరంగా అనిపిస్తే దయచేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి మరియు ఈ వీడియోను మీ స్నేహితులతో షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.